Okay, so this is my short video about hydrogen, the lightest element. I'm almost biting my tongue. So atomic number is 1 AMU, but it exists as a molecule. Most of it is bound in water and organic compounds. Most of it is bound in water and organic compounds. Therefore, production in the lab, metals react with acids to liberate hydrogen. That's one way of producing hydrogen. Therefore, an example would be reacting zinc with HCl to give you a salt, zinc chloride, and hydrogen gas. So an apparatus could be something like this, where you keep on opening this thistle funnel to allow the acid to drop here so the zinc can react with the acid, then you collect the hydrogen there. Look at the way it is collected. It's because it's very, very light. Collected by downward displacement of water because it's less dense than air. Identity test, it puts off the burning splint with a pop sound. A burning splint is, of course, a splint, a matchstick, or any small thing that is burning, that is in flame. It is burning because there's oxygen there. So if you introduce hydrogen, water will be formed, and water puts out fire. Therefore, to be the one that's going to put out the fire with the pop sound, a small explosion. Industrial production of hydrogen, the main process here, or the first one, is by steam reforming, obtained from hydrocarbons. Therefore, an example here, or the main example here, is methane. Therefore, methane reacts with water gas, which is steam, to produce carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas. The hydrogen gas is obtained. Further, the carbon monoxide is reacted with further steam, okay, and then carbon dioxide is obtained, then more hydrogen is obtained. So you can either make a straightaway equation of this reacting with water to give you carbon dioxide, then balance it accordingly, or do it in parts like this. So the first part here, the first reaction here that results into carbon monoxide, you've got nickel as a catalyst, temperature at 800 degrees Celsius and pressure at 30 atm. Then further, this iron 3 oxide is our catalyst. Temperature is much less at 450 degrees centigrade, then pressure is the same at 30. So the second method through which hydrogen is obtained industrially is through electrolysis. Therefore, hydrogen is a byproduct in the electrolytic manufacture of fluorine from sodium chloride. Okay, so we'll check this one out under electrochemistry, but this is the second method. Physical properties of hydrogen: the lightest gas, colorless, no taste, no smell, slightly soluble in water, no effect on litmus. Okay, no effect on litmus. Some people will talk about cow lips, but the thing is, that's that acronyms of cow lips. You can check them out from any other book. But chemical properties, these are the equations. Reacts with oxygen to give you water. Therefore, it's a very exothermic reaction, produces water, which actually puts off the burning splint. Reacts with copper 2 oxide to give you copper and water. Therefore, it reduces copper. Okay, it reduces copper 2 oxide to copper. Then reacts with propene. Okay, this is propene to give you not propene. What's wrong with me? It reacts with ethene. Okay, ethene to give you ethane. Okay, a hydrocarbon, a saturated hydrocarbon. It also reacts with chlorine to give you hydrogen chloride gas. This is the gas which, when dissolved in water, gives you hydrochloric acid. Uses of hydrogen to saturate vegetable oil to make margarine, and that's one of the reactions there. It's hydrogenation. It is a hydrogenation reaction, so the same is applied to vegetable oil to make it margarine. Number 2, to make ammonia in the Haber process. Yes, it is rocket fuel, as a rocket fuel in space rockets. Therefore, since the reaction of this guy here and that guy there gives you this, and I'm from saying that it produces a lot of energy. Therefore, when the two react in rocket fuel, of course, they are fractions, they are combinations to create. They are combined with many other things to form the fuel. They produce a force that is able to push the rocket forward. As it releases the exhaust stuff in the opposite direction, the final property there, or maybe use, is to convert coal to synthetic petrol. Therefore, hydrogenation of coal. Okay, coal is carbon, so to convert coal to synthetic petrol or gasoline. So that marks the end of hydrogen. A short thing about hydrogen. Bye bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video as I upload millions and thousands of these things. All that I know, I have to just pump it here and let those who have use for it use it. Bye.